Hi, Mommy and Daddy and Jesse. So this is the ship. I just decorated it. Check out the birds and stuff. Watch. This is Bubba. He's broke, but we'll fix him. I just put all these birds here. That's Bubba. And you got the ship. I decorated it today. And then you see the ship. I did all the seaweed and the stuff today. Look, I did all this right here. Check them out. And then look at him. Got fish hanging in there. This is all cardboard besides. Pretty cool, huh? Then you come up here and then you see the guy up there. See the ship? And the fish. See the fish? Isn't that cool, Mom? This is. Oh yeah, we're. Watch this, Mom.
Wow, you're a fat one.
Okay, I love you.